Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating and crucial topic. If you have an IVF clinic or IVF hospital, then this video is for you. Let's explore the regulations, rights, and responsibilities governing embryo cryopreservation in India. Embryo cryopreservation, the process of freezing and storing embryos for future use, is not just a medical innovation, it's also a legal challenge. In India, the primary legislation that governs this practice is the Assisted Reproductive Technology Regulation Act, 2021. It lays down specific rules for the storage, handling, and use of human gametes and embryos. Let's break this down. The ART Act addresses several critical areas. Section 27 specifies the standards for storage and handling. Section 29 regulates research involving embryos. Section 35 outlines penalties for any violations of these provisions. Also, RT Regulation Rules 2022, Rule 15, which highlights standards for storage facilities. Rule 16 mentions documentation requirements, and Rule 18 gives quality management systems. Did you know there are strict guidelines on how long embryos can be stored? The initial storage duration is 5 years, but extensions are allowed under specific conditions. Facilities must also ensure temperature stability at -196°C and have robust backup systems in place. Before storage, clinics are required to obtain informed consent, perform medical screenings, and sometimes conduct genetic testing. This ensures transparency and patient safety. Consent is a cornerstone of the legal framework. Patients must agree on storage duration, disposition options, and costs. Spousal consent is particularly critical, as it also addresses situations like divorce or the unfortunate event of a partner's death. Let's talk about rights and responsibilities. Patients have the right to access information about their stored embryos, including storage conditions and associated costs. Clinics, on the other hand, must ensure professional competence, maintain equipment, and adhere to high standards of care. Legal precedents like Davis v. Davis in 1992 and Yearworth v. North Bristol NHS Trust in 2009 have shaped the understanding of dispositional authority and negligence standards globally. These cases highlight the importance of clear consent and clinic accountability. Additionally, professional liability and negligence standards were laid down in Bourne v. Swan and Nevin 2020, EWHC 1715 Queen's Bench, which highlighted equipment failure liability, staff error responsibility, and documentation deficiencies. Dispute resolution, especially patient disputes and interpatient conflicts, were highlighted in Evans v. United Kingdom 2007, which gave guidelines for dispositional disagreements, consent withdrawals, and death scenarios. To sum up, embryo cryopreservation in India operates within a well-defined legal framework aimed at ensuring patient rights, clinic accountability, and ethical practices. However, it's essential for patients and professionals to stay informed about their rights and obligations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on legal and medical topics.